Hi, yes. Next topic, data tab. There, data validation in Microsoft Excel using formula. See here, this is data validation. Click data tab. There, click data validation. There down arrow is there. That one click after. These three are displayed. Data validation. The first one is explained in this video. Data validation means prevent invalid data from being entered into a cell. For example, you could reject invalid dates or numbers greater than 1000. We can also force input to be choose from the drop down list for values from special. See here, in this table, observe, I am given some conditions. What is that conditions? It means D8. This is the D. This is the eighth one. Okay. In the D8, numbers only displayed. That numbers only 50 to 100 between 50 to 100. You type on the 45 is error came. You type on the 101 error came. You type to the 100 and 100 below, 50 and 50 above. This is the first condition. How to given that? Using the data tab. There click, see here, the yellow one, data validation. Is the down arrow is there? That one click. After click, data validation. One dialog box open on here. What is displayed on there? First one, settings, input message and error alert. Settings means the length have any value, whole number, decimals, list, date, time and text length and custom. Here what's so given harm here? First condition, numbers, D8 displayed numbers. First this before you select the which that one cell displayed on here, that cell cursor will blinking on there. Click on there. After click the data validation. After select data validation, dialog box open. Now first condition, how to given that? See here. What is the first condition? D8. This is D. This is the 8. Okay. You are clicking after here yellow color came. Okay. No problem. You select it carefully. Okay. Here 8. Now what is that one number? So I selected on here whole number. Okay. After what is that? 50 to 100. It means between. Already displayed between. Again selected. Minimum or maximum numbers. Minimum means what? Minimum 52. Maximum number what? 100. What is that? 100. You clicking on here, the condition will be displayed. See here. Click OK. Now practice on that first. What is that? I'm 50 to 100 only number typed here. Okay. I'm given 45. Enter. Clicking. One dialog box came. It means that is a not condition. That is means error. Why? Because you given to already here 50 to 100. Okay. What was type on here? Before 50. Before 50. That's why error came. Next one. Observe. 100. Okay. Display the 100. Clicking on 50. No error. Clicking on 101. Display the error. This is the first condition over. Next, what is the second condition? I am C6 and C9 displayed numbers but greater than 0. What is that? Greater than 0. First one what? 6, C6. Yeah. Okay. After select data validation and click data validation. See, this is also number. That's why clicking on here whole number. Okay. After this one not a between. this is the greater than, so here greater than available, clicking on that. Minimum what? Greater than 0, greater than 0. After click OK, after click OK. Now the condition 0. 0 means it displayed the error. Why? Because greater than 0 is not a 0 and specified not there. Okay, that's why display the error. Now 5, no name, not display the any error. This is the second condition over. Next, third condition, what is that? F column. What is the F column? This one, the F column. This is the columns, this is the rows. Okay. In the F column, text. What is that? Only text only displayed. What is that? 8 to 12 characters. 8 to 12 characters means, once example I am explain. In any word, first time you email address, okay, email address, first time you register time, you specified password there, specified characters only. Okay, you type 8 above 8, display not given to the any password. Okay, above 8 characters only type on there. In the condition, same on condition given I am F column only F column. Okay, anywhere in F column. I am not given to any number or not given, but characters only displayed in the F column, 8 to 12 characters. Okay, 8 to 12 characters. See that condition also displayed. First selected any F column. There again click data validation. Click data validation. What is the condition on there? I am given text. So here selected text length. Okay, text length. What is that? Minimum what? 8. Or minimum what? 8. Maximum what? 12. Okay. Click OK. Click OK. See here that condition is displayed or not. I am tapping in Raju. Given to the error. Why? Because Raju characters is 4 only. What is that? 4 only. I am given to the condition what here? 8 to 12 characters, and this is the before 8. That's why given the error. Okay. Next one, 12 characters. Okay, this one also condition is wrong. Why? 12 characters only. What is this name? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 characters is there. That's why display the error. Next one. Is not given to the any error. Why? Because this is 4, 1 space and 4 for 8 only. We along with the space characters will be calculated. Okay, calculate the space also. There also password also same na, is 8 to 12 characters. That's why not displayed any error. Next, fourth condition what? Fourth condition 10, 11 and 12. 10, 11, 12. The rows is what? Left side of the invoice. The rows will all selected on here. After rows in the text only. What is that? Above 5 characters. Rows above 5 characters. Now selected after click data validation. There click data validation. What is the condition I am given? Text. That's why selected on here text length. After what is that? Above 5. Above. Here date means what? Greater than. What is that? Above means greater than. That's why displayed a greater than. Date means data means display. Type on here greater than. After minimum what is that? 5 characters. Click OK. See here. above 5 characters, only text. Hurry is the how many characters is there? 4 only. What is the condition? I am given 5 characters above the 5 characters. That's why displayed in here error. Okay, another one what this table explained before. One is the display on one explain on that. Here in the hurry display dot one dialog box came now. This is the wrong one. Here in crossing is there. This is also modified I am. Okay, this is also modified I am, and this condition the value is entered in the not valid. This conditions also displayed on. Okay, only displayed ourself in displayed the type to there. What is that the this valid not this character, this value is the not correct in this type of condition given one. Okay, how to that first explain. Now in the first one what here conditions all given 3 is there. Even means number only above 5. Okay, next one f1 is text. That what is the text? 4 to 12 characters only. z1 means text but above 10. If these conditions are given on. Okay, even first even selected. What is the first condition? Even. What is given? The numbers. Okay, click on the data validation. They click down arrow. They selected down data validation. What is the first condition? I am even. What is that? Number and above 5. First one what? Numbers. So whole number selected. Very good. Next what is that? Above means greater than. Very good. Next what is that? 5. Okay, already typed be previous. That's it. This is last one is there one error alert. What is that? Error alert. This is the error means what is that? Cross. Error means cross. Okay, condition right on that. Error here 3 is there. Stop, warning and information. These are all how to given. See here. Warning means this one yellow color. Stop means you know that, right? Information means I. First what is that? This is the number above 5. This is what error condition. So I am given stop. Next what is that? Excel. Type on Excel in the title. Error right on here. Value not correct. You only given on that. Clicking OK, the condition will be displayed. Click OK. Now see here. Above 5. I am given 6 here. 6 no? 4. Above 5 is correct. No? See, what's given on here? Excel value is not correct. What are displaying? No, you are typing one. That condition only displayed. Okay, that condition only displayed. Next one. Next condition what? F1. What is that? F1. F1 there. Text. Text how many characters? 4 to 12 characters. 4 to 12 characters. So again click F1, select the F1. There click data validation. Condition given here easily. Already so many conditions given here. What is that first one? This is the warning. What is this? This is the warning. Now settings first. Text length. What is that? Text means a selected text length only. Text length. After click 4 to 12, which means between. Selected there. Click here 4. After click here 12. Okay. After error alert. Error means what is this? This is the warning. What is that? Only 4 to 12 only. Between only text is read. otherwise not that. So this is a warning. So selected on here, type on here Excel. Okay, after text invalid, text invalid, so click OK. See, this condition is correct or not. 4 characters only. Four characters above. Okay, I am giving 3 characters. What is the condition given there? Okay, Excel given there, text invalid given there. Is continue means continue. Why? Because a warning and name text characters anywhere you given to the no, it automatically changing on that. Okay, don't forget it in this one. This is very important. Text type anyone given, you clicking no, you clicking S is no, it is clicking S, the condition is automatically displayed. You clicking no, same condition whatsoever given to the condition only displayed. Okay, I am clicking no. Next, this is correct. Why? Because 4 to 12 characters. Given to another name, Bhanu Prasad. This is correct? No. Why? How many characters is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 along with space. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 13, 14 characters is that's why is given to the error. What's given there? Error. Own error given there. Own type. Only typing on that. Ourself you typing any condition given, that only displayed. Okay. Next, click OK. No. Next one, what is the condition in the last one? G1, they're selected. After click data validation, they're selected data validation. What is the condition on here? Settings, text length is correct. Next one, what? Above 10. Above 10 means clicking on data greater than. Afterward, given the number on here. Okay. Error, what is that? This is the information, that's why given the information blue color came. Next, click type on here Excel. Okay, text incorrect. Okay, incorrect, text incorrect, so click OK. What is the condition on here? Above 10. Above 10. Okay, below 10 not. I am given here hurry. Error came. Why? The characters in above 10 characters. G1 has above 10 characters the condition. The condition is not correct. Why? Because I am giving characters given only 4. That's why display the error. Own creation of the creation on the conditions also displayed on here, explained on here. Okay, this is called a data validation, very important in the Excel. Next one, how to clear on this. Okay, first condition in this one, remove their data validation and settings there. After clear all. Okay, clear all, click OK. Next, directly selected all conditions, data validation there. Data validation, go to there one, each and every one, clear all, OK. Data validation, next one, data validation, oh my, clear all, OK. This type deleting. Okay, okay, this is called a data validation. First, hi viewers, complete in this topic. Anyone first saw the my channel, please subscribe and click like and share. Thank you.